Hi, I'm Tricia Morris from Club Scrap, here to tell you about another fun workshop I'll be offering on Saturday, April 27 at the One of a Kind Facebook page. Of course, the workshop will be available after that date as well. You can watch at your leisure. This time we're going to be featuring a project called the Podium Book. And this utilizes the beautiful Rainforest page kit along with the Podium Book workshop kit. And together we'll be making this gorgeous book. Let's take a closer look. This is the book we'll be making, and I promise, even if it looks a little overwhelming, we'll do it step by step together. It features this nifty collapsible hinge or easel, so you can store the book on a shelf. But then when you want to take it out, you extend the easel, and then you can open it, and it sits on display, sort of like a handy recipe book in the kitchen, for example. So you can always just showcase pictures from a trip or a recent adventure, maybe a holiday, and I'll use everything that comes in your kit, in that Rainforest kit or any other Club Scrap page kit for that matter, and we'll construct all these beautiful inside pages. What's neat about them is that they have a large inner margin, so you have a lot of space for decorating using bulky embellishments and things like that. Your kit will include a foam brush, several other mat boards that we'll need for our covers, our spine, our hinge. Most importantly, you will also be able to download and print your 4 pages of detailed instructions to help you create the book alongside the video workshop. And you'll receive our beautiful Rainforest kit. This one includes a dozen sheets of paper, 4 prints, the rest are planes, some cut-up parts, your ribbon, a stencil, photo mats, tags, charms. You get the idea. Lots of stuff included in this kit, so you won't be short on embellishments for making that book. So don't delay, pick up your Podium Book Project kit right away, and I will see you in class on the 27th or anytime thereafter. I look forward to making this fun book with you.